Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enhance text quality in Photoshop. First, ensure your document resolution is high, ideally 300 pixels per inch, to prevent pixelation. Choose a font that is easy to read and complements your design. Then, set the anti-aliasing option in the character panel to strong or smooth for a cleaner appearance. This initial setup is crucial for achieving sharp, professional-looking text. Next, let's refine the text appearance. Adjust the tracking and kerning values in the character panel to achieve balanced letter spacing. For digital displays, consider enabling sub-pixel rendering in your system settings for even sharper text. Adding a very subtle stroke, perhaps 1 pixel in size and a dark color, can also enhance definition without making the text appear too heavy. These small adjustments make a big difference. To maintain flexibility, convert your text layers into smart objects. This allows for non-destructive editing, meaning you can always go back and adjust your text. With your text as a smart object, you can apply sharpening filters like Unsharp Mask. Start with a small radius, perhaps 0, 5 pixels, and a threshold of 0. You can also experiment with a very slight Gaussian blur, around 0, 3 pixels to soften harsh edges. Finally, review your text at different zoom levels to ensure legibility and sharpness across various scales. When saving, choose a high-quality format such as PNG for web graphics or TIFF for print to preserve all the details. If optimizing for web, use Save for Web Legacy to balance file size and visual quality. These steps ensure your text looks its best wherever it's displayed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.